Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a park light bulb on a Ford Fiesta. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your car's engine is off and has cooled down completely. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a replacement bulb, and some protective gloves. This simple guide will help you complete the task efficiently and safely, getting your light working again in no time. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now, open your Ford Fiesta's hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll see two retaining clips at the top of the assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips up and out. Once the clips are removed, you can carefully pull the entire headlight unit forward a few inches. This provides enough space to access the park light bulb from behind. With the headlight assembly pulled forward, locate the small bulb holder for the park light. It's usually a small, clear bulb. Twist the holder counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb from the holder and insert the new one. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, push the headlight assembly back into its original position until it clicks. Reinsert the two retaining clips to secure it firmly. Turn on your car's parking lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This simple repair can save you money and keep your Fiesta safe on the road. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please look for the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.